Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the values of x and y given these two equations. Now we are given these equations. Let's try and make their denominators 1. So half x minus 5y equal to minus 17 by 2. So if I make its denominator 1, I'll have to multiply all the terms by 2. But when I observe this second equation, I have 2x over here. I also want the same coefficient of x in both equations. So this is half, this is 2. So to make the coefficients same, I will have to multiply this first equation by 4. So but in second equation we have 17 by 2 on the right hand side, and I would like to remove the denominator there as well. So I will multiply equation by 8. Let's see what I get. I get 4x minus 40y equal to minus 34. No, 68. 17 fours are 68. Let's see. Minus 68. So let's name this as equation 1. Now what I will do, I'll multiply equation 2 by 2. Let's see. Minus 2x plus 3y equal to 17 by 2. This is my next equation. Let's see. I'll have multiply equation by 2. What I'll get? I'll get minus 4x plus 6y equal to 17. So let me name this as equation 2. I'll simply add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. I get 4x minus 4x minus 40y plus 6y equal to minus 68 plus 17. So 4x minus 4x cancel out. Minus 40y plus 6y is minus 34y, and on the right hand side I get minus 57. So value of y that I get is equal to minus 57 by minus 34, which is equal to 3 by 2. So I get y equal to 3 by 2. Now we can put this value of y in equation 2, in given equation 2, to get the value of x. So given equation 2 was, let's see, minus 2x plus 3y equal to 17 by 2. Putting y equal to 3 by 2 here, what we get? Let's see what we get. We get minus 2x plus 3 into 3 by 2 equal to 17 by 2. So I get minus 2x plus 9 by 2 equal to 17 by 2. So I get minus 2x equal to 17 minus 9 by 2. So I get minus 2x equal to 8 by 2. So I get minus 2x equal to 4. So x equal to minus 2. So value of x is minus 2 and y is 3 by 2. Let's see which one of the options is fitting answer for our equations. Let's see. Yes, answer is option D, x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 3 by 2.